So in this video, what I want to do is I want to go over how to use the robot pen. All right, I've had some students who've been asking me questions and I just need some clarification. So let's go ahead and go over that. So let's, the very first thing is I will always like to start off with the drive velocity, and I'm going to set that to 100%. And I think I'm going to make it turn as well, so let's set that to 100%. And then what I'm going to do next is, in order to use the pen color, I'm going to go to Looks, and then I'm going to set robot pen to color. It's important that you choose the one that says set robot pen. If you use a set print color, it won't work. Alright, so we're going to set it to black. You can choose whatever color that you would like. And then I'm going to say move robot pen down. Once I do that, I'm going to say drive forward. Let's go ahead and use the wait until this time as well. Say wait until. I'll go to sensing. Let's say we'll do the bump switch again. Wait until it is pressed, and once it is pressed, I want to stop driving. And then I want to move the robot pen up. So basically your pen, it's already up, but as soon as we set the color, we can move it down, and then it just starts drawing. But as soon as we don't want it anymore, we have to move it up. So I'm going to move it up, and I'm going to wait again for 2 seconds. And as soon as I do that, I'm going to drive reverse. Let's see here. And I'm going to say, we'll do 200 millimeters, that works. And then turn right at 90 degrees. And then I want to show you guys how you can actually turn it to a different color as well. So I'm going to set the robot pen color again. Go to Looks on the left-hand side. Set robot pen color. And we will set it to red. All right, and then we're going to move it down. So move robot pen down. All right, so now we should be facing this way to the right here. I'm going to drive forward one more time. And then I will use the wait until again. And then use the sensing. Let's go with, again, let's just do bump switch again. And then I'm going to tell it to turn off, stop driving, and then I will have it wait for 2 seconds. Actually, let's go, let me move the pen up. Where is that pen? Let's see here. Move robot pen up. And then we're going to wait for 2 seconds. And then I'm going to reverse it. I'm just going to reverse it for 200 millimeters. And then I'm going to take a right for 90 degrees. And then I'm going to drive for, I don't know, 400 millimeters. I just want you to see what it would look like as soon as the pin is up. Okay? So let's take a look. I'm going to go ahead and hit refresh, hit play. Let's see what happens here. So I'm going up. You can see it right here. Left bump is pressed. The pin is up now. I waited for 2 seconds. The pen is back down. It's color red. The pen is back up. We're waiting for 2 seconds. Reverse, and now it's driving. And you don't see the pen anymore because the robot pen is up. All right, so that is how you use the pen color, the set robot pen color, and how you move it down in order for it to actually show up on your playground. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me.